Good morning, Grade 9, Drainage System in India, Chapter 3 of Geography. The Indian rivers are divided into two major groups, the Himalayan rivers and the Peninsular rivers. Children, you covered the Himalayan rivers in your previous class. Now today we are going to start with the Peninsular rivers. The main water divide in peninsular India is formed by the Western Ghats, which runs from north to south close to the western coast. Most of the major rivers of the peninsula, such as the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri, flow eastwards and drain into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers make deltas at their mouths. There are numerous small streams flowing west of the Western Ghats. The Narmada and the Tapi are the only long rivers which flow west and make estuaries. The drainage basins of the peninsular rivers are comparatively small in size. In your previous class, you were asked to find out the meaning of estuaries. I hope now you all are aware of the meaning of estuaries. Now, today's task is you have to find out why do they form. Here is the meaning and the pictures of estuaries. Those who couldn't find the meaning, for them it is given here. The major peninsular rivers are the Narmada, the Tapi, the Godavari, the Mahanadi, the Krishna and the Kaveri, which we will discuss one by one. The Narmada river system. The Narmada rises in the Amarkantak hills in Madhya Pradesh. It flows towards the west in a rift valley formed due to faulting. On its way to the sea, the Narmada creates many picturesque locations. The marble rocks near Jabalpur, where the Narmada flows through a deep gorge, and the Dhuandhar Falls, where the river plunges over steep rocks, are some of the notable ones. All the tributaries of the Narmada are very short, and most of these join the main stream at right angles. The Narmada basin covers parts of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Children, faulting means fracture in rock where there has been movement and displacement. These are the pictures of river Narmada. You can see at the top left hand side and the bottom picture are showing the Dhuandhar Falls. Here you can see the river Narmada shown in the map. The Tapi river system. The Tapi rises in the Satpura ranges in the Baitul district of Madhya Pradesh. It also flows in a rift valley parallel to the Narmada, but it is much shorter in length. The coastal plains between Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea are very narrow. Hence, the coastal rivers are short. The main west flowing rivers are Sabarmati, Mahi, Bharatpuzha and Periyar. Find out the states in which these rivers drain the water. Its basin covers parts of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. You can see a few pictures of the river Tapi. The river Tapi in map. The Godavari river system. The Godavari is the largest peninsular river. It rises from the slopes of the Western Ghats in the Nasik district of Maharashtra. Its length is about 1,500 km. It drains into the Bay of Bengal. Its drainage basin is also the largest among the peninsular rivers. The Godavari is joined by a number of tributaries such as the Puna, the Vardha, the Pranhita, the Manjara, the Vainganga and the Penganga. The last three tributaries are very large because of its length and the area it covers. It is also known as the Dakshin Ganga. The basin covers parts of Maharashtra. About 50% of the basin area lies in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. These pictures are of the river Godavari. The river Godavari in map. The Mahanadi river system. The Mahanadi rises in the highlands of Chhattisgarh. It flows through Odisha to reach the Bay of Bengal. The length of the river is about 860 km. It is joined by the Seonar, the Hasdo and the Mand. Its drainage basin is shared by Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha. You can see the Mahanadi river. The river Godavari in map. The Krishna river system. Rising from a spring near Mahabaleshwar, the Krishna flows for about 1400 km and reaches the Bay of Bengal. The Tungabhadra, the Koyana, the Ghatprabha, the Musi and the Bhima are some of its tributaries. Its drainage basin is shared by Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The Krishna river. The river Krishna in map. The Kaveri river system. The Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghats and it reaches the Bay of Bengal in south of Cuddalore in Tamil Nadu. Total length of the river is about 760 km. Its main tributaries are Amravati, Bhavani, Hemavati and Kabini. Its basin drains parts of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The river Kaveri makes the second biggest waterfall in India, known as Sivasamudram. The hydroelectric power generated from the falls is supplied to Mysore, Bangalore and the Kolar gold field. Now children, you have to find out the name of the biggest waterfall in India. The river Kaveri in map. Children, beside these major rivers, there are some smaller rivers flowing towards the east. The Damodar, the Brahmani, the Baitarni and the Subarnalekha are some notable examples. This is the comparison chart of the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. Children, this table of the peninsular rivers will help you to remember the things properly about each and every river. So you are supposed to make this table in your notebook and fill it with the correct information.